Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by launching the display settings so you can change zoom precisely. Open Start, then Control Panel, Appearance and Personalization and Display. Once there, note whether the current option is smaller, medium, or larger, 125%, because that determines how aggressive the change will be. If you need a specific scale, click Set Custom Text Size, DPI, to input a percentage. Make sure to save or apply changes. This prevents losing work when Windows prompts for log off or restart. Now adjust DPI and resolution for consistent screen zoom. Select Set Custom Text Size, DPI, to type an exact percentage such as 100% or 125%. This changes UI scale rather than only text. Next, open Screen Resolution and confirm the monitor is using its native resolution. Mismatched resolution can blur scaled elements. After applying both settings, Windows will typically ask you to log off. Do that to let the new scaling and resolution fully take effect so elements render crisply. Finish by verifying all apps and the taskbar appear correct. If some windows still look oversized, reopen Display and try a nearby DPI value like 110% or 90% to balance readability and layout. If UI elements look distorted, update the graphics driver in Device Manager. Drivers often fix scaling artifacts. Also run ClearType Text Tuner to improve font clarity. If issues persist, restart again and test with a different monitor or user account to isolate hardware versus profile problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.